the way you just told us to do it now?
When the question is write molecular formula,
Okay, fine.
you
So
have to write
we draw
all
it.
the atoms together. Like molecular formula of ethanoic acid is not CH3COOH. Molecular formula of ethanoic acid is C2H4O2. You will not write the C in two places, H split in three here and one here. Okay, so not like that. So that's about molecular formula. Empirical formula, you know. Structural formula, mein there are two options: condensed or full. When they say full, you need to show each bond. You need to show each bond. Particularly in alcohol and acid, students make mistake. So if there is ethanol, full structural formula, it will be C2H5 and OH. You write like this, but this will make you lose 1 mark. The OH has, there should be a bond between O and H also, because it's a full structural formula. So usually we have a habit of writing OH. Okay, so don't write OH, write O dash H. Condensed formula may, like suppose this is propane. So there are three carbons, one, two, three. First carbon ko there are three hydrogens. So CH3. Second carbon there are two hydrogens. So CH2. And third carbon there are three hydrogens. So CH3. That's condensed version of the structure. So you write on the basis of each carbon, like what is connected to each carbon, that you need to write in the condensed formula. Okay, this entire table you need to just learn. Okay, I will tell you what is what. We will go through this once, but this entire table, it's better that you, it's better, it's important, it's necessary that you know this. Okay, so Reni, you wanted to know how many homologous series? Count. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now here I will focus on the functional group. This is where the students will make mistake. See, other things, suffix, general formula, example, general name, that gradually you will know once you solve the past papers and questions. And when even when you learn the theory, you will gradually come to know about that. But students usually make mistakes in the functional group. You know what? uh, you do not know the names of specific functional group, because in the MYP or in the IGCSE or in ICSE or in CBSE, we have not learnt the names of the functional group. We just know that, like alcohol hai to OH is a functional group in alcohol. Acid hai to COH is the functional group in acid. Ester hai to COO is the functional group in ester. We just know that this is a functional group, but what do we call this? What is the name given to this? This we have not learned. So usually students say that hydroxide, you know.
Yeah,
So
hydroxyl group.
it's hydroxyl, not hydroxide. Remember, hydroxide is OH minus, which is an anion like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, that ionic compound bases. So bases have hydroxide. Alcohols do not have hydroxide. Alcohols have hydroxyl. Hydroxide is an anion, negative ion. This is covalent. OH is covalent here. Okay, so there is a difference. Okay, let's learn about all. Alkanes, there is no functional group in alkane. Alkenes may, the carbon carbon double bond is the functional group. The name is alkynyl. Remember the name, alkynyl. Alkynes may, it's carbon carbon triple bond. IGCSE and MYP have not learned alkynes. So carbon carbon single bond, alkane. Carbon carbon double bond, alkene. Carbon carbon triple bond, alkyne. Functional group alkynyl. Arenes means the compounds derived from benzene. Compounds derived from benzene. So there has to be a benzene group in the arenes compound. Okay, and this this part is all it's called as phenyl. The functional group is phenyl. Arene is the name of the homologous series. Phenyl is the functional group. Halogenoalkanes may, as the name suggests, in an alkane there is one or more halogens. In an alkane there is one or more halogens substituting hydrogens, of course. So if I have propane, all these are hydrogens. One of the hydrogen is replaced by bromine. This is halogenoalkane. If I'm going fast, let me know. Alcohols, we just decided we just saw that hydroxyl is the name of the functional group. Okay, now aldehydes and ketones. This may be new for MYP and IGCSE, so I'll quickly explain you this. Something common in aldehyde and ketone is this part. Both aldehydes and ketones have this part. This is called as carbonyl. C double bond O is called as carbonyl group. Now we'll see what is the difference. In aldehyde, remember that in aldehyde, one of the two bonds of hydrogens, मतलब ये दो जो bonds है, इसमें से at least one has to be hydrogen. Has to be hydrogen. Has to be hydrogen. Okay, this is fixed. So the other bond may be a hydrogen or may be an alkyl. Other bond may be a hydrogen or may be an alkyl. This is about aldehyde. In ketones, none of the bonds will be hydrogen. So it has to be an alkyl here. It has to be an alkyl here. And both the alkyls can be of different number of carbons. Okay. Both the alkane can be of different different number of carbon. I mean, I shut the fan. Switch off the fan. Yeah.
Is there some sort of a relation with ketone and ester?
Acid and ester.
No, like the R functional group also is. I don't remember.
R is
Something
not
like
a
that.
functional group. R is an alkyl group.
Alkyl group. Okay.
Yeah, alkyl group मतलब methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl.
Yeah, no, they used to call it functional, like with what I learned, but it's okay.
Okay, now how do I decide the functional group? See, functional group is that part of the molecule or that part of the homologous series which is there in all the members of that family. So aldehyde में this part is fixed ना, including hydrogen. I said hydrogen also fixed है. So ये part, this part is functional group. R is variable. Wherever R comes, remember that is variable because R can be methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, कुछ भी. Here only fixed part is this part. So this is the functional group of ketone and that's the functional group of aldehyde. So functional group of aldehyde is called as aldehyde only. Okay, functional group of aldehyde is called as aldehyde only. Functional group of ketone will be called what? Any guesses?
Ketones.
Carbonyl, right?
Carbonyl. Okay, because carbonyl is C double bond O. Alright, so that's about aldehyde and ketones. So aldehyde is the functional group of aldehyde. And ketone का functional group is carbonyl. Now something similar or some similarity in the similarity in carboxylic acid and esters. Okay. Now how about carboxylic acid and esters? What about carboxylic acids and esters? Carboxylic acids and esters both have this part same. Okay, both carboxylic acids and esters will have this part same. Now, in carboxylic acids, like in ketone, like in aldehyde, this side has to be H. Same like I said, this one side has to be H. This maybe this side has to be H. But which side? Only the side with O. This side, no. This side may be anything, but this side, the O single bond wala side, has to be H. And the other side, as in aldehyde, can be H or R. Okay?
At the carbo. Oh, okay. Yeah.
In esters, this side has to be R. This side has to be R. And this side can be H or R. And both the R's can be different. So R and R dash, I'm saying. Now in the functional group, the common part in all the acid will be this, because I'm making this side to be H only. I'm not giving any option. So I will include that H also in the functional group. So this functional group carboxylic acid hai, to carboxyl. The functional group is carboxyl. So what should be the name of the functional group of the ester? Ester. Okay. So that's about aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid and ester. Now about amine and amide. Amine and amide, both you can visualize that they have, amine particularly, you can visualize that it's made up from ammonia. So you can visualize ammonia. So ammonia mein nitrogen is bonded to 3 hydrogens, that's ammonia. So if I replace at least one hydrogen with alkyl, at least one hydrogen, which means I can have second and the third hydrogen also replaced by alkyl. This becomes amine. Okay. And this is primary amine. Secondary amine mein 2 hydrogen will be replaced by alkyl. Tertiary amine mein all 3 hydrogen will be replaced by alkyl. Okay. So this is amino is the name of the homologous series. Okay, now what about amide now? Amide में one of the hydrogen is replaced by carbonyl. One of the hydrogen is replaced by carbonyl. That becomes amide. Okay. Functional group
So I have a
amido.
question.
Yeah. Who has the question?
So Charishma, just
Yeah.
one question. I don't know if I missed out on it or what, but in a mine, when the secondary and tertiary one happens, is it replaced by the same alkyl group or a different one?
No. It can be same, can be different. It can be same, it can be different.
It can be both.
Yeah, anything
Okay.
is fine.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So I'll just save this whiteboard. Now let's go back to the table. So ketones, carboxylic acids, esters. Now ethers बाकी है and nitriles बाकी है. Now in ethers, O in the middle and R R dash. Nitrile is, you may be knowing it by the name cyanide. Okay, so here the functional group is known as ether only, and this is the functional group which is cyano group. Okay, and homologous series का नाम है nitrile and ether. Right. Uh, but you need to spend time on this table. I have just told you, given a rough idea about that, and the naming system we are going to see in details. Benzene ka this part is same as what we did in bonding about benzene, that the ring basically. We need to talk about the benzene ring, which is the upper lobe of the six lobes of the dumbbell and lower lobes of six dumbbells. They make a donut type, the donut, and above and below the plane of the benzene. So benzene ka plane hai, above that there will be a ring, below that there will be a ring, electron ring, and that's why above and below, because the upper lobes of the six dumbbells and lower lobes of the six dumbbells, they coincide. Okay, so it makes a two donuts above and below, and this is called as delocalized pi electrons ka ring. Okay, benzene ring of delocalized pi electrons. This delocalized pi electrons is extremely important for benzene, because of that ring, benzene gets some extraordinary properties. The benzene ka stability is, it becomes too much stable compared to what it should be. So that's the reason that benzene gives much different products than expected because of this stability. Okay, these are the evidences for the structure. Now, how do we know that that is the structure, like benzene ka? Usually benzene ka structure, we can take it as carbon double bond carbon, carbon single bond, carbon double bond, carbon single bond, carbon double bond, and carbon single bond. And then all the carbons will be bonded to 1 hydrogen. So the older suggested structure was this, that there is an alternate double single bond. But the experimental evidences shows that the carbon, all the six carbon bonds are identical, same size, so same length, same strength. Okay, and the length is intermediate between single bond double bond, matlab it is longer than the double bond and shorter than the single bond, same like resonance. No, we learned resonance in bonding, exactly same thing.
Yeah.
Second thing, benzene does not undergo addition reaction. अगर वो double bond होता था, तो it would have undergone addition reaction. As you know, bromine when bromine gets decolorized in alkenes, that's because of the double bond. So there is no double bond here, which means. And third thing, enthalpy change of hydrogenation of cyclohexane is 120. मतलब if I have to just, if there is only one double bond, तो adding hydrogen का इसका thing is 120. So if there are three double bonds अगर है, तो it should be 360. 120 का 3 times.
So I didn't understand the second point.
It will, you know the, Asha, you don't know the bromination, na? That anyway we are going to learn. That addition reaction takes place only if there is a double bond. Okay, if there's no double bond, no addition reaction will take place.
So right now it's not. Sorry.
if benzene had that double single bond, then the benzene would have three double bonds, na? So it would easily undergo the addition reaction, but it doesn't undergo the addition reaction. It means there is no double bond.
So it doesn't undergo hydrogenation.
It doesn't. मतलब अगर hydrogenation करना है, तो you can see that अगर hydrogenation as an addition reaction अगर यहाँ पर है, तो this is minus 120, and अगर 3 hydrogens अगर, if this is the structure, so it should be 360. But enthalpy, actual enthalpy of hydrogenation is minus 205. मतलब it is much lesser than what it is, which means this is due to the stability. This is due to the
Okay.
stability.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Extra stability is due to delocalized electrons. Okay, attempt these questions later. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 7. Okay, now naming may certain rules. If you do all these namings, then you're sorted. Huh? Whatever namings we have here. Okay, so alkanes mein how do you name? First of all, you need to select the longest carbon chain, which is called as stem. Stem and branch, as in the tree. Tree has stem, and then it has branches. So branch is always shorter than the stem. Stem is the longest. Stem is the longest, branches are shorter. So that's why longest carbon chain is called as stem. So 5 carbon ka stem hai. Matlab pentane is the parent carbon, and there is a methyl group at carbon number 2. So the name becomes pentane, in which there is a methyl at carbon number 2. So 2-methyl pentane. Remember that I I numbered this carbon atom as 2 because I started numbering from here. I could have started numbering from here. So 1, 2, 3, and then this would have become 4. So my name would be 4-methyl pentane. But I will not take 4, I will take 2, because you have to start counting from that end from where the branch is nearest. So always, in all the cases, whether it's a branch or a substitute, whatever, you should start counting from that end where the number that you get is the smallest number. Always the smallest number you take. Here the longest chain is bute, 4 carbons hai. I'll have to start counting from here because the branch is nearer here. So there are 2 methyl, which means there is dimethyl. And I will have to give the address of each methyl separately. So I will have to write 2, 2. Remember, I wrote 2 twice because there are 2 of them. So each number I need to write separately. So that's position of the branch. 3-methyl hexane. Now here I will take the carbon chain as this 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will not include this because यहाँ पर 4 ही होता है. But instead of that, if I go below, then I will get a longer chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the longest chain, 6 carbon atoms. See, the direction doesn't matter. Huh? Suppose if I have carbon here and then I take the carbon up, or then I took it down, it doesn't matter. All this is counted as the one single chain only. Okay, so just because the carbon is taking a turn up or down, that doesn't matter. Direction doesn't matter. So this is hexane, and at carbon number 1, 2, and 3 there is methyl. So 3-methyl hexane.
Yeah.
Now here again hexane because this is the 6 carbon atom. Now there is methyl here and ethyl here. So which side should I count from? I should count from that side, from where the bonding is, the numbers are minimum. So if I start counting from, suppose here, so 1, 2, 3. So 3 p I will get this, and 4 and 5. So I will get 3 and 5 branches at 3 and 5. If I start counting from the other side, that will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm getting 2 and 4. So this combination is smaller number than this combination. So I will reject this. So I will start counting from the left hand side. Here again, 2 पे methyl है which starts with M, 4 पे ethyl है which starts with E. So the numbering is 2 and 4, but I will write E first because alphabetical order है. So 4 ethyl, 2 methyl hexane. But in IB they wouldn't care about this, but this is the IUPAC nomenclature mein this rule is there. But even if you write here 2 methyl 4 ethyl hexane, this would be given as correct. So the alphabetical order is I don't think IB will ever follow that. In fact, most of the school mein the teachers, most of the teachers don't even teach about it.
So I have a question.
Hmm.
In the dimethyl one, like the second one,
Hmm.
why does it say two dimethyl?
Because
Like,
there are 2 of them.
because
If
it's
there are 3
anyway
of,
saying.
no. Even if they both of them are the same one and same position, you have to write it for individual.
Okay.
So the total number of numbers that you will include should be equal to the total number of branches. If there are suppose 3 branches in the name, I should have 3 numbers there. Alkenes and alkynes, you need to mention the position of the double bond and the triple bond. And that numbering gets the priority, not the branch. Not the branch. Okay. So here the numbering I will count not on the not where the branch is. I will ignore the branch. I will see where the double bond and the triple bond is nearest from, which end the double bond is, triple bond is nearest from. So it's nearest from here. So double bond is at carbon number 1, and accordingly the methyl comes at carbon number 2. So 2 methyl but 1 ene. Here if you see, the branch is nearest from here, but the triple bond is nearest from here. So I will give importance to triple bond, that because that's a functional group. Functional groups gets the priority. So this is pent 2-ine, and accordingly now the branch comes at carbon number 4. So 4-methyl pent 2-ine. Videos are going off. Slowly. Come back, everyone. Give me a reason why do you turn the video off? Like I want to know. Amey, you have a problem if you're on video throughout the class?
So what?
If your video is on throughout the class, you have any problem?
No.
Absolutely. Rainy, you?
No.
Do you go off? Taha?
So I just turned my video because it's really dark in my room. I thought it would be like distracting.
So switch on the light.
Oh no, sir, I have a really bad headache, so I'm sitting in the dark.
Okay.
Like the light makes my eyes hurt.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, now about halogenoalkanes में, again, bromine is here at carbon number 2. So 2 bromo butane. There are 2 bromines, matlab dibromo. One is at 2, one is at 3. So 2,3 dibromo butane. There is one chloro and bromo. So bromo will get the priority. Okay, so while writing, Not writing, not the numbering. Okay, numbering may the nearest one. So 2 here and 3 here. So 2 chloro and 3 bromo hai. So you write 3 bromo first and 2 chloro next. But if suppose there are two substitutes like bromine and methyl, both are the same, like either se second methyl hai, either se second bromine hai. So I will give importance to bromine because alphabetically that is prioritized. So 2 bromo 5 methyl हो जाएगा, not 2 methyl 5 bromo. Okay, because दोनों तरफ से 2 2 ही आ रहा है. So I will give the priority to the alphabet. Alcohol same as that alkene, priority according to the functional group. The functional group is more important than the substitute. Ethers में
So wait, what does that mean? So wait, can you repeat the last point?
I said numbering wise, I'll give priority to alcohol, the functional group, and not the branch.
Okay.
Okay.
When you number.
Numbering के लिए. So it is pentane 3 all, 3 because OH is here. I don't care where the branch is. So okay, so branch and all is not important. Substitute. The functional group numbering के लिए functional group gets the priority.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Ether में look at this O and this alkane and this alkane. This is propane and this is methane. Propane and methane. So remember that this becomes my parent. The longer chain becomes my parent alkane. So this is propane, in which there is methoxy. So that's why methoxy propane. Okay, so the longer chain जो भी रहेगा उसको write as it is alkane, and other one becomes the alkoxy. So in general the name is alkoxy alkane, where this alkane is the longer chain and this alk is the shorter chain.
Sir, can you please repeat that? I missed that. Like the whole naming part of esters. Ethers.
Okay, what is the general name I said of ethers?
Ether.
I don't know whether should I call you smart or dumb.
Isn't
General,
it like the so the group is called ether only, na?
I
You
didn't ask
said.
about functional group. I said general
Oh.
name of an ether is alkoxy alkane. This is how the ethers are named. Okay. Now O is bonded to two alkyls, na? R and R dash. Out of R and R dash, whichever is the longer chain becomes this. Shorter chain becomes this. So here, this is the longer chain, na? 3 carbons hai. And this is the shorter chain. Okay. So longer chain hai, so this will become propane. And this one is methoxy. So methoxy propane. Is that clear or no?
Yeah.
Nobody asked me one question.
So what else is there to know?
Leave it.
Are so now you have to tell us.
Whenever somebody asks me that question, I will answer. Otherwise, no. Okay. You were
So
not
what is the
observant. I
sequel?
mean to say that you were not observant. but it's okay if even if you don't ask me that, and if you miss out on that, that's fine. Okay, so aldehyde,
Oh,
the general name is alkanal. Okay, where this alk is the number of carbon atoms in the chain, including the carbon in the functional group. CHO का carbon atom मिला के total number of, so this is 5 है total, including the CHO in the formula we write as CHO, and alcohol is COH. OH is alcohol, HO is aldehyde. So this is pentanal, and numbering has to start from here, no other option. 2, 3, 4. So 4-methyl pentanal.
so won't you write the number where this thing is functional group?
Functional group CH का जो C होता है, that is first carbon always.
Okay. What if? Oh, okay. Yeah.
That has to be the first carbon. ketone में you have that. What you're thinking that happens in ketone. Ketones में, if this is my carbonyl, then I will take the entire carbon chain, including the carbonyl ka carbon, and numbering will start from the carbon end, that carbon where the carbonyl is nearest. So from here. Okay, so this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentanone. But I have to include the position of the carbonyl. Carbonyl is a carbon number 2. So pentane 2-on. Pentane 2-on, like how alk but-2-ene, that way, pentane 2-on. So ketone mein you must include the position of the carbonyl. Also at carbon number 4 there is methyl, so 4-methyl pentane 2-on. If anybody thinks that I'm going fast, you can let me know.
So you are, but like I don't see how you can go slower.
No, anything
Like-
that you did not understand.
No, I understand. So there's just a lot.
Anyway, I'm recording this session for somebody, so if you want, I can put it on the YouTube and you can watch it.
Yeah, please.
And you can also just go through these notes. This is like whatever I'm saying, the same thing I'm writing there. So these notes are written by me only, so you may understand my language. Carboxylic acid में the first carbon has to be the carbon of the functional group. The COOH का जो carbon है, this has to be the first carbon always. Like how aldehyde में I said the aldehyde का जो functional group का carbon है, that has to be the first carbon atom. So including that carbon, the total carbon chain is 5. So this is pentanoic acid. And at carbon number 4, there is methyl, or the 4-methyl pentanoic acid. Esters may, no, I would take it as एस्टर में, एस्टर का जनरल नेम इज अल्काइल अल्केनोएट. अल्काइल अल्केनोएट. नाउ दिस इज अल्काइल. द सिंगल बॉन्ड ओ को जो बॉन्डेड होता है, ओ सिंगल बॉन्ड जो होता है, दैट इज अल्काइल. So you have to see के in this alkyl how many carbon atoms are there. That will give you the first word. And all the other carbon atoms, including this functional group ka carbon atoms, this is alkanoate. So this alk is decided by rest of the carbon atoms, and this alk is decided by the.
So what if it's just H?
Then myth ना, because ये तो carbon है ना, functional group का carbon तो है ही ना एक. That is always there. That is always there. So minimum one carbon atom you'll have. In that case, it will be methanoate.
Yeah, methanoate.
So if the R dash, if the R dash is 3 carbons, then it's propyl, alkyl, no? Propyl. And there is H there, as you said, then propyl methanoate. MYP. No, ICSE students are really relieved, because they have done all that. Right, ICSE, except for ether, no? Ether and nitrile, you have
We've done ether also, but
So we've
Right,
done
we did.
ether
ether.
you have not
We
done.
haven't done amines and anides.
Yeah, we haven't done amides and
amide
anides.
नहीं किया, amide नहीं किया, amine तो क्या होगा ना, primary amine, secondary amine.
No, sir. I
Also,
don't
no,
think we've
sir.
done amines.
Amine, as a biology student, I've done amine.
Congrats.
But
As a
as
chemistry student, now you'll understand that amine and amide. Now that will make more sense to you.
yeah,
Chemistry adds sense to the other sciences,
yeah.
including and majorly biology. Okay, biology
Exactly.
otherwise is just a ruttified thing. But if you actually understand this,
Don't
the
be rude.
entire DNA, RNA, the system,
All related.
all this will make sense to you. Okay, proteins may, how the different types of bondings, the primary structure of protein, secondary structure of protein, tertiary structure of protein. Okay, all that will make sense if you understand chemistry. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So
Bio is like nothing.
say hi to your bio teacher from a chemistry teacher.
Will do, sir.
And tell her welcome.
Okay. Yeah, sir. We'll do that.
Even if she doesn't say thanks. Okay, so that's esters. Now primary, secondary, tertiary carbon atoms. This is important. See, all the above part ka naming system, whatever, even if you just go through it once and you got rough idea about it, I think most of the questions you'll manage. But this primary, secondary, tertiary is important. So here you need to understand what that is, because it's not only in the nomenclature, it's not in the naming system. This also decides the reaction. Like if it's a primary, तो different product रहेगा, secondary तो different product रहेगा, tertiary तो different product रहेगा. Okay, in some of the reactions. So hence you should know how do you identify whether the given compound is a primary, secondary, or tertiary. So there are two ways in which you can decide whether the compound is primary, secondary, or tertiary. I'm talking about carbon atom. Nitrogen atom का different है, carbon का different. I'm talking about carbon atom. So primary, secondary, tertiary, carbon atom. In the carbon chain, if there is a substitute or a functional group, now I will restrict to your syllabus. When I'm saying substitute, I'm talking about a halogen. Okay, and when I'm talking about functional group, I'm talking about hydroxyl, which means OH, alcohols. So I'm particularly talking about halogenoalkanes. Like suppose if there is a Br here, then this becomes halogenoalkane. And if there is OH here, then this becomes alcohol. So I'm particularly talking about alcohols and the halogenoalkane. Let's restrict to that, because primary, secondary, tertiary you have only in these two cases: primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, primary, secondary, tertiary halogenoalkanes. So the star here can be a halogen. Star can be a halogen X, or it can be OH. Okay, I'm taking only these two cases. Okay. Now I will, instead of halogen and hydroxyl, I will say star. Okay. If the star is on the first carbon in the chain, then that's my primary carbon atom. Okay, so primary carbon atom is basically that carbon atom which is only bonded to one more carbon atom. That's it, only one more carbon atom. I repeat, primary carbon atom is that carbon atom which is bonded to only one more carbon atom, and that makes the entire compound as a primary class. The class will become primary. Secondary is that carbon atom which is bonded to two carbon atoms. Okay, so the star, if the star is bonded to that carbon atom which is further bonded to only two carbon atoms, this carbon atom becomes my secondary carbon atom, and this entire compound ka class CLASS is a secondary class. The compound becomes secondary class. If a carbon atom is bonded to three more carbon atoms, 1, 2, and 3, this is my tertiary carbon atom. So if the star is bonded to that carbon atom which is further bonded to three carbon atoms, this becomes my tertiary carbon atom, and the compound class becomes tertiary. So it's a tertiary class compound. This is one way to decide primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, so primary, secondary, tertiary we can decide on the basis of the
So can there be a one with 4 carbon atoms bonded?
Draw the structure and show me. Okay, will you?
Yes, sir.
So it has to be directly this
Directly
thing to
bonded,
do,
directly.
right? Like,
Yeah, directly bonded.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's one way I said. Primary matlab that carbon atom which is only further bonded to one carbon atom. Secondary is that carbon which is further bonded to two carbon atoms. Tertiary is that carbon which is bonded to three carbon atoms. Kavra, not now, later.
It's
Yeah.
like
Okay, sure.
this.
No, little closer. No, what? Where is the star in that?
Oh, right.
You can't have more than 3, right? Because one has to go to the
Because
functional.
carbon
Like,
can have only 4 bonds, na? एक तो star को चला गया. So only 3 left.
Okay, yes.
Okay, so that's one way to decide primary, secondary, tertiary. Second, now I'm talking about different way to decide that. Primary carbon atom is like star is bonded to that carbon atom which is further bonded to at least 2 hydrogens. 2 more hydrogen it will have. That carbon will be bonded to 2 more hydrogens. Secondary is that where star is bonded to that carbon atom which is directly bonded only to one carbon atom. Shut. Tertiary is that star is bonded to that carbon atom which is not bonded to any hydrogen, 0 hydrogens. Okay, so from the point of view of hydrogen also you can decide the primary, tertiary, primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary will be bonded to 2 hydrogens, secondary to 1 hydrogen, and tertiary to 0 hydrogen. Fine. Okay. Now, how do you identify on the basis of the name? Now, listen to this carefully because अगर name अगर दिया हुआ है and structure नहीं दिया है तो how do you decide? If in the name the position of the halogen or the alcohol is 1, then it's primary. Okay, if the position of the halogen or the alcohol hydroxyl is 1, then it's primary. For example, propane 1-ol, 1 bromopropane, Okay, so 1 पे मतलब the it's on the terminal carbon atom ना, terminal carbon atom पे अगर है तो फिर primary हो गया. See, this is always in the terminal carbon atom. Terminal पे अगर है तो primary. Secondary will not be on the terminal. So secondary में this number will be anything but 1, more than 1, excluding 1. So if the name is having the position of halogen or hydroxyl 2 or above, so if I have propane 2 all and not propane 1 all, or 2 bromopropane, secondary. So 2 3 4 5 कुछ भी रहेगा तो secondary, 1 अगर है तो primary. Remember, secondary not because it's 2, because it's 2 or above. अगर butane में 3 नहीं हो सकता, pentane 3 all अगर है तो 3 is also non 1. Okay, so primary में it has to be 1, the position has to be 1. Secondary में the position has to be more than 1, but anything like 2 3 4 5 कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, now how do you identify tertiary from the name? In the tertiary, the same number will appear twice. In the tertiary, same number will appear twice, and that number will be more than 1. Number will not be 1. Number will not be 1. It will be more than 1. And the same number should appear twice. Remember, same number should appear twice. For example, suppose I'm talking about this. This star is, let's say, halogen, Br agar hai. So this complete chain here is 5. So this is pent. So 2 bromo, 2 methyl, pentane, 2 bromo, 2 methyl pentane. You see, number 2 came twice. The same non 1 number should come 2 times, and same number. If suppose this is OH, then the name will become 2 methyl pentane 2 on pentane 2 all, 2 methyl pentane 2 all. So again 2 methyl and pentane 2 all. So again the number 2 comes twice. But isme tertiary mein you need to be careful about one thing, that if my star is on here, and suppose this is H, my CH3 is here, so this is not tertiary, क्योंकि methyl कहीं और है और star कहीं और है. This is not tertiary. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you can identify from the name.
Yes, sir.
What about Kamya? Did you understand? Oh no.
So I'm kind of confused. I kind of got it.
What did you not get? It?
Same, kind of confused.
Okay,
I didn't get the last thing you said.
I'm giving you a few names. You need to tell me whether this is primary, secondary, tertiary.
Okay.
Yep. What is it?
So I have a question.
First, my question. So is this primary, secondary, or tertiary?
Is it secondary?
Why secondary? Yes, Rani.
So I'm guessing, like I'm also kind of confused, but is it because there's the carbon
This is how you
that's
identify.
bonded to the
If this is see number 2
is-
है ना, मतलब 1 नहीं है. अगर this was pentane 1 all, तो क्या होता था ये?
Primary.
Primary.
Because it's
If this is 2,
two carbon.
secondary. Suppose pentane 3 all है तो tertiary हो जाएगा.
Still secondary.
Still secondary.
Still secondary.
हाँ.
Oh yeah. Until it's the last.
Yeah.
No,
If
it
suppose
can't
I
be.
have 2-methyl pentane 2 all. Now
Now it'll be tertiary.
tertiary because 2 पे मिथाइल भी है और 2 पे OL भी है. मतलब कार्बन का जो 4 बॉन्ड्स होता है, ओके, एक OH हो गया, एक पे ब्रांच आ गया और इधर तो एक कार्बन चेन है ही. Understand? So carbon is bonded to 3 carbon atom ना. OH is bonded to that carbon which is further bonded to 3 carbons. अगर एक 2 मिथाइल अगर निकाल दो, ओनली पेंटेन 2 ऑल अगर है तो ये ब्रांच हट जाएगा, मिथाइल ब्रांच हट जाएगा. So instead of that, in place of that, you will get a hydrogen. Then it will be a secondary because OH is bonded to that carbon which is bonded to 2 carbons. Third is hydrogen. और अगर 1 all अगर है तो it is primary. Done? Still problem? Anybody else? Jaini? Jaini is not there. Haan, Jaini is there. Jaini, are you clear?
So you're kind of lagging.
Lagging, so I can't hear you.
Haan, Jaini, I'm asking, are
Same.
you clear or no?
So I got it.
Charishma,
Yeah, sir. Same. Yeah.
Goda, Goda is not.
So
here.
who are you asking?
Arush.
Vora? Godha?
What happened?
So I was asking you.
So what happened?
I'm asking you if you have understood.
Yeah, this part I understood. This tertiary,
Primary,
secondary,
secondary,
primary.
tertiary is done, no?
Yeah, I got that. Like, where how you name classify any carbon atom.
Now primary, secondary, tertiary nitrogen atom. This is pretty simple. As I said that nitrogen atom, you should always imagine that your it is made from ammonia. Okay, so ammonia has 3 hydrogens. If one hydrogen is replaced by alkyl, primary, okay, is the primary nitrogen. If 2 hydrogens replaced by alkyl, secondary nitrogen, and all 3 are replaced, that means tertiary nitrogen. Is this clear? Is this okay?
So 1 minute, does this determine the whether the compound is primary, secondary, tertiary?
Amine is primary, secondary, tertiary.
No, so the entire compound.
Entire compound amine ही होगा ना उसके अंदर.
Yeah.
If suppose ये H है और ये CH3 है. This is primary amine.
Sorry, so my bad.
This is CH3, CH3, this is secondary amine. All 3 CH3, tertiary amine. Isomers same as 10 standard. Oh, MYP भी है इधर. Okay, the SL ka isomers are exactly same as what you did in 10 standard. Isomers are 2 or more compounds which will have the same molecular formula but different structure. For example, you know, this is iska formula is C4H10. Iska formula is also C4H10. But you can see the structure is different. Here, the 4 carbons are in a straight chain. And here, 3 carbons are in the straight chain and 1 is as a branch. So this is 2-methyl propane. And this is butane. Reni, you are understanding?
Yeah, sir. Isomers I know.
or you had done in MYP?
Yes.
Acha. You didn't have, but in the nomenclature they must have done. Okay, like C5H12 mein again the same thing. There are 3 isomers in C5H12. One is that I can arrange 5 carbon atoms in a straight chain. This is pentane. Second option, 4 in a straight chain, 1 as a branch. And third, 3 in a straight chain and 2 branch. Okay. Similarly, C6 ka, I don't know if I have drawn it. Alkene ka again the same thing. Alkene alkyne ka, you can have the position different. Like this is hex 2-ene. Double bond is at carbon number 2. I can also shift this double bond over here. Then this will become hex 1-ene. If the double bond is shifted here, it will become hex 3-ene. ठीक है. Okay. So we will end the class here. So today what we did was just the introduction of the different homologous series, how to name them, primary, secondary, tertiary, and isomers. Okay. Now from next week, the main subject, the main topics will start, like reactions and all. Okay. ठीक है. Chalo, I'll see you in the next week. Next
Bye, sir.
day. Bye.
So
Yeah.
are you free for 5 minutes? I had an RQ.
Late or tomorrow morning, because I have prayers now and then back to back class. So either after 10,
Okay.
after 10 or tomorrow morning, anytime.
Okay.
Morning I'm free before 1.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi, so thank you.